Very good morning, student. Today we start next topic of lesson 14 is anaerobic respiration. You know very well that anaerobic respiration means the respiration take place in the absence of oxygen and in which incomplete breakdown of food into ethanol, lactic acid or pyruvic acid. Okay, in which we study a mechanism of anaerobic respiration, in which we study this pathway, that is glycolysis means in which breakdown of glucose, and this is also called as EMP pathway. EMP pathway means Embden Meyerhof Franz pathway, and another name is glycolysis. Okay, in which convert this glucose into ethyl alcohol or lactic acid, depend upon the organism in which it occur. Okay, the complete pathway of anaerobic respiration occur in cytosol. Okay, this pathway take place in cytosol. Now, what is the Embden-Meyerhof Franz pathway? That is glycolysis. It's the flow chart of glycolysis in which we study glucose. We take a one molecule of glucose, convert it into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of enzyme hexokinase, and in which it take one molecule of ATP, convert it into ADP. It means it release 1-phosphate. So glucose contain 1-phosphate at 6th position, so form glucose 6-phosphate. Next, in equilibrium with this glucose 6-phosphate converted into fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. Okay, now fructose 6-phosphate further converted into fructose 1,6-biphosphate. It means it take another ATP molecule which converted into ADP. Now fructose 1,6-biphosphate divided into two parts in the presence of enzyme aldolase. It converted into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde in equilibrium with converted into 1,3-biphosphogyceraldehyde and release one water molecule. This 1,3-biphosphogyceraldehyde converted into 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid in the presence of enzyme triose phosphate dehydrogenase, in which it take place in the presence of NAD positive, NADH plus HI. Next, 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid converted into 3-phosphoglyceric acid. It means this function group is removed. So take place in the presence of phosphoglyceric transphosphorase. Now 3-phosphoglyceric acid is in equilibrium with converted into 2-phosphoglyceric acid phosphoglyceromutase. 2-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the presence of enzyme enolase and release one water molecule. 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid is converted into pyruvic acid in the presence of enzyme pyruvate kinase and release one ATP molecule. Okay, now this is the pathway of glycolysis. Okay, learn it as it is. It's very important flow chart of glycolysis. Another is pyruvic acid in animals. How this pyruvic acid in animals? Now this is a pathway summary of this glucose. Glucose is converted into 2-pyruvic acid with taking a 2-ADP molecule converted into 2-ATP. This pyruvic acid in the absence of oxygen, it means anaerobic respiration take place. First take place in animals. In animals, pyruvic acid converted into lactic acid and release NADH plus HI into NAD, and in plant it converted into acetaldehyde and release one carbon dioxide molecule. Now this in plant acetaldehyde, 2 molecule of acetaldehyde in which alcoholic fermentation take place, it convert acetaldehyde into ethanol, 2 molecule of ethanol, and form NADH plus HI into NAD. Okay.